Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to fix a dent on a 2010 Toyota Tacoma. As you can see, this is my dent. It got swiped by a car that was hit and run in the parking lot. So the person probably didn't have noticed it because it barely scraped the paint, but you can definitely see the dent is quite obvious. Here are the pieces that comes in with the dent repair kit. We have a glue gun with specialized glue. Then we have different assortment of various sizes that we can place the glue, and then it will attach to the car panel. This is a dent lifter tool that latch onto this attachment and pull the dent outward. It also has a scraper for scraping off the glue, and a hammer and dent reshaping accessory. Okay, first I'm going to clean out the dent area with some alcohol. Get rid of all the dirt. Make sure the surface is smoothed out. Once the surface is cleaned and smooth, the next step is I'm going to try on each of the attachment and see which one fits perfectly, that maximize the contact with the dent. Okay, looks like this one is best fit because the dent is at an angle. It's more bigger on the top and bottom than left and right, so it seems this has the best contact for the dent. I will position like this in parallel with the swiping and see if I can pull out the dent. Now we apply the glue to the surface of the pad. Make sure you work quick so the glue doesn't get dry. Okay, I think this is good enough. Okay, apply the pad to center of the dent area. Now I'm going to let it wait for the glue to dry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's about 10 minutes. The glue is dry. Now I'm going to use a lever. Let's see. Okay. There's not enough clearance for these pads to go down. I'm just going to pull it. As you can see, the dent looks slightly smaller than before, but still there's some left. I'm going to try one more time with a smaller attachment. These pads are reusable. You want to heat it up a little bit in the microwave for a few seconds, and then you can use a channel lock to pull off the glue, and it comes out very clean. Here's one big piece that just came off. I'm gonna just keep on repeating and the glue will come off. try to pull out on the second try. Okay, here's the final result. As you can see, it seems the dent is smaller than before, but it's not completely going away. But there's definitely a huge amount of improvement. Overall, this is a pretty good product. I think it may not make it perfect, but it is a significant improvement for do-it-yourself and save the money from car repair shop. Thank you for watching.